Welcome to the astronauts. Can you believe it? Imagine a celestial event so large that it casts a shadow on the Earth that can be seen in broad daylight. Perhaps this is what we see in the constellation of Orion. The star Betelgeuse is acting mysteriously, signaling an impending supernova explosion that will light up our skies like never before. But when will Betelgeuse go supernova? And what will it look like? What secrets can this stellar event reveal? According to scientists, learn more about what's happening with Betelgeuse and how it will affect Earth and our entire solar system. Betelgeuse is about 650 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Orion, and it's no ordinary star. It's a red giant, one of the brightest stars we know, shining more than 100,000 times brighter than our sun. So what does this red giant mean to us? Named after the Arabic Yad al-Jawza, which means hand of Orion, the star has been observed by ancient civilizations for centuries, serving as a guide for travelers and a wonder to stargazers. Its red hue sets it apart from the other stars in Orion. Can you imagine a single star that would eclipse our entire solar system? To give you an idea of Betelgeuse's monstrous size. If it were to replace our star, the Sun, its edge would extend all the way to Jupiter. At only 10 million years old, it is much younger than our 5 billion-year-old Sun. But its size means it burns its fuel much faster, resulting in a shorter lifespan. Now, this celestial giant, which can contain billions of suns, is nearing the end of its lifespan. When a star of this class reaches its dark age, it doesn't just disappear. It explodes, a supernova explosion of energy and brightness beyond human understanding. This event can light up entire galaxies, casting a bright shadow across the distance of space. The last time my father saw a supernova explosion was in 1604, before the age of modern telescopes. Known as Kepler's supernova, this event is visible for over 18 months and is brighter than any other star in the night sky. Can be seen in the daylight for weeks. What secrets do these stellar remnants reveal to us? Ancient records from Chinese and European astronomers record the appearance of this new star. Today, we can still see the remnants of that explosion in the form of a growing cloud, recognized as the jagged tip of a massive star. Historically, supernovae have been rare for Earth observers. But consider the powerful star he likened to the brightness of a full moon that covers the night and can be seen during the day. The radiation from this event affects the atmosphere, satellites, and even the climate. The sudden drop in pattern suggests that Betelgeuse may be preparing for such an observation. Could we be on the eve of one of the world's most important events? Several surprising discoveries have been made about Betelgeuse in recent years. Between October 2019 and early 2020, the star underwent a remarkable transformation known as the Great Darkening. Betelgeuse's brightness, which had existed for centuries, began to decrease significantly. This sudden change was so noticeable that even astronomers began to see Betelgeuse in relation to other stars in the constellation of Orion. By April 2020, the star had returned to its normal brightness, leading many to believe that the anomaly was over. But unexpectedly, Betelgeuse's brightness increased by 50% the following month. Such fluctuations are common in variable stars, but not so common in Betelgeuse. The sudden increase in brightness and intensity has given rise to new insights into its near future. But why this sudden change in brightness? Why did Betelgeuse suddenly throw a celestial curveball? Stars are not just twinkling dots in the night sky. They are dynamic entities with their own life cycles, activities, and mysteries. Betelgeuse, which has maintained a fairly constant 400-day luminous cycle, appears to have challenged its behavior during the eclipse. Now you may be wondering, are we on the verge of a stellar revelation? One compelling theory suggests that Betelgeuse may have ejected a massive amount of material into space. Imagine Betelgeuse as a giant celestial volcano that silently erupts, spewing vast quantities of material into space. Observations by the Hubble Space Telescope have shown that Betelgeuse has previously ejected a massive amount of surface material, 400 billion times the mass typically ejected during similar solar events. This could explain the temporary dimming that occurs as thick dust clouds form around the star. As this dust is dispersed or pushed away by the star's radiation pressure, Betelgeuse regains its brightness. This theory suggests that Betelgeuse is far from a miracle. Some believe that Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its lifespan and may even undergo a supernova. But when? A new study suggests that Betelgeuse may be in its carbon-burning phase. Hideyuki Seo, a senior research scientist at Tohoku University in Japan, believes that the core could burn out in the next few decades, after the coal reserves are depleted. Some scientists believe that Betelgeuse is still at the beginning of its life cycle. Despite these differing opinions, one thing is certain: Betelgeuse is the galaxy's next supernova. But timing remains a wild guessing game, with estimates ranging from a few decades to 100,000 years. An interesting feature of Betelgeuse or other distant stars is the visible light they leave behind. When this star died out 650 years ago, Earth began its rebirth. So if Betelgeuse has already exploded, we won't know for centuries. There has been some discussion in the astronomy community comparing Betelgeuse to the supernova SN 2023X in a nearby galaxy, the Milky Way. The brightness and excitement of this explosion gives us an idea of what to expect from Betelgeuse. What does this mean for us on Earth? Beyond the scientific implications, Betelgeuse's supernova explosion has profound cultural implications. The sky we've observed and admired for thousands of years will be forever changed. Changing the world makes us think about space and our place in it. Seriously, here's the text. Thank you for watching this episode of Space Spectrum. If you want to learn more about Betelgeuse and the supernovas that can light up the sky, don't miss the video that's on your screen right now. You won't believe it. Don't forget to subscribe to the latest world news updates and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next exciting article about the wonders of the world. Watch out, astrologers. If there is anything you would like to change or add to the article, please let me know.